So we get a lot of prints and stuff from customers talking about the design that they want. And one of the things I've noticed is that in many cases there'll be dimension to the 4th decimal place, or they don't really have a clear tolerancing table to tell you, what is important or what is not important on a particular part. So tell me about a part and how the tolerances on that can vary, and based on that variance it's easier to make and it's more cost effective to make.
Yeah, this part here is actually a really good example. So this part of the shaft here we have to hold to a plus nothing minus 1.5 thousandths. And this pocket up here is plus or minus 2 thousandths. And when you think about the part or cost savings involved in this, if we had to hold everything on this to the minus 1.5 thousandths, it would take longer to manufacture.